Hello everyone, welcome back. If you would like to add a location to Google Maps, whether it be your own personal location or a public place such as a restaurant or hotel that is not yet listed, simply head over to Google Maps and drop a pin on the desired location by holding it. Once the pin is dropped, click on Add Label. If you add a label, this will be your personal location label and will not be visible to anyone else on Google. However, if it's a public establishment and you want the listing to be publicly available, drop a pin and click on Add a Missing Place at the bottom of the screen. From there, you can add the business information, including the place name, category, location, and additional details. This way, you can contribute to the accuracy and comprehensiveness of Google Maps.